Hello, we are here to do our Flume install. Flume arrived, we opened the box, and inside you see our two devices, the meter itself, flow meter, and then the base station. And then inside they give us all the tools.
Okay, so the next step was we plugged it in and we are pairing the sensor to the bridge. We're looking at the blinking blue light. I'm being walked through on my phone and it says continue, and it's so straightforward. They are telling me exactly what to do. We have connected the sensor to my phone, and right now we are pairing them, and it's really easy. They're just sitting next to each other, and again, my phone is telling me what to do. They are connecting, and then we'll go on to the next step. So when they're connecting on your phone, it says connect. Be sure to push that button. It's not as obvious as it sounds. So now it's telling me to take a photo of my water meter. So, in there. And it's not automatic, so I'll use the button. Make sure it isn't blurry. We'll see. I'm not known for my photo skills. Let's see if this works. It's asking me if I'm not happy with my meter photo, but I think it looks like a good one. Let's see. Success! I took a good photo. Okay.
All right, we're about to install the flow meter into the system. Hopefully it can be done relatively easily. All right, we are hooked in now, so the flow meter is against the meter in the ground, and we're ready to test the water.
It says to turn on a stream of water. Just turn on a little bit. And stream of water, which we're doing, continue. It says start. We now know to push that button. It's not intuitive. It might take up to 2 minutes. So we just learned that you need to have a good flow of water in order to calibrate, which seems a little counterintuitive right now, but it is for a good cause to get it set up. So I hit continue. Ta-da! You are all set. We are doing this so we can track the amount of water that we are using and be more conservation minded. And I'm eligible for additional rebate from Marin Water. Alrighty, now that we're set up, we have an initial dashboard that shows me how much water I've used today, what I've used in the last 24 hours. Well, I just set it up, so it's the last few minutes. There's a budget, water budget, and I can enable an away mode. So get your Flume. Join me and all of San Rafael and commit to conserving water this year. Now, more than ever, every drop counts.